Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we've got a special video. My van, yes, this van broke down. The alternator was calling it quits. It has left the chat. So instead of taking this van to a shop, I made a new friend. This is my friend Nate.
Hello.
And he's a mobile mechanic. He's a mobile mechanic, and he's been doing this for about 5 years. And so, yeah, instead of crawling under it and getting dirty, I decided to call somebody who's actually good at this stuff.
Crawl under and get dirty.
That's right. And Nate, what's your Instagram?
My Instagram is N818 mechanic. So N, the number is 818 and then mechanic.
Great. So Nate makes his living as a mobile mechanic, and I guess you serve the 818 area code, if I'm right. Great. So if anyone's local here to the 818 area, Nate can hook you up and do a great job. And so Nate, tell us a little bit about like the services you offer.
Yeah, so I do a wide variety of stuff. I do suspension. I can do some slight engine work. If you got oil leaks, coolant leaks, overheating, minor electrical issues, you got some clunking when you drive, I can handle all of that. At your house, at your work, wherever is convenient for you. We find a time that works for you so that you're not having to wait around all day at the shop. Yeah, so anywhere around the surrounding area of the San Fernando Valley, you can go to Reseda, Simi Valley, Santa Clarita, Brentwood, all around there in the general vicinity, I service right there.
Fantastic. And so Nate today is doing a little alternator job on the Sienna here. This is our 2008 Sienna Limited. Don't mean to brag, but top of the line. And so the shop that I was going to was kind of gouging me real bad. And to his credit, he discovered that my alternator was super rusty and told me it needed replacing. And when he told me how much he wanted to charge, I just about fainted. So that's when I went to Facebook Marketplace and I made a new buddy here. And again, check out his Instagram and hopefully YouTube channel soon. We were talking about
soon,
that.
Hopefully.
Yeah. So and anyway, so he was able to do this job at a much better price and also kind of find the reason why my alternator was rusting, which is why it needed replacing. And we've gone with a denso part here. I picked this up at Napa Auto Parts. It's about $270. Ouch. But you got to use good parts. Otherwise it's not worth it. And so Nate, to do this job, you're also replacing, is that the lower radiator hose or the upper?
Yes, so it's a little bit confusing because you see it all the way up here, but as you see, it goes all the way down to the bottom of the radiator. So we're gonna change this out and it shouldn't be leaking anymore. Because from the old one, you can see it's a little bit loose down here. Ooh. Super loose. Yeah. So that's not good. It's gonna blow up one day on you, especially with this summer coming up.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
Yeah.
On that one. Okay, so good. So yeah, he's able to change that out, which is what was kind of like causing the problem on the alternator. And tell us about like what you had to do to get to the alternator on this one.
Yeah, so on this particular model, this hose is just perfectly in the way right here. Right. So once you get the 2 bolts out, the alternator still won't move. You're still gonna have to remove this hose, get it out the way, take off a little bracket, take off the heat shield for the exhaust, and then you can finally manipulate the alternator out. And that's pretty much it. Now we just do the reverse and bleed the coolant out since we took this hose off, and we'll be good to go.
Awesome. Well, after hearing all of that, I'm even more glad that I didn't attempt this. This would have taken a couple of days for me, and I probably would have screwed it all up. So I really appreciate you doing this, Nate. It's a real pleasure. And so like we'll show this once it's all buttoned up and everything, but just kind of wanted to get y'all in on the repair and why it's good to know a professional mechanic. So
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for choosing us.
Yeah, absolutely, Nate. Well, I appreciate all your hard work and getting dirty so I don't have to.
Of course.
Awesome. Well, we'll check in a little bit.
All right, sounds good.
So hey, I just wanted to wrap up the video and kind of like tell you the conclusion. It's been about 3 weeks since I filmed this with Nate, and I have to say the van's been flawless ever since. He did a great job. Alternator, fantastic. The cooling system's working great. So thank you, Nate, for doing such a great job on the van. I can't recommend him enough. Again, this is not sponsored content. This is just like it worked out that I found a good mechanic, and so I would love to support a good mechanic. And of course, also, I didn't mean to be so negative on the shop I've been going to for quite a while. Although he does deserve not to get this job. But, hey, support your local businesses and also support your local mobile mechanics. Like, it's all good, so just try to figure out like what works best for you. For me, like on this job, I saved quite a bit of money by using Nate, and it was really nice not having to go anywhere. He just came to me, and I was able to do what I do best, and he was able to do what he does best, and so everybody wins. It was awesome. So anyway, I hope you found this informative and useful and hopefully entertaining. Be sure to hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. You know the drill. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Stay driven.